Hello, I'm Dayn, and I'm the designer for Walk With Me. So the inspiration of Walk With Me derives from when I was younger, and I was having a lot of long walks with my friends and my lecturers. And I gained a lot of aspiration and inspiration and a lot of comfort and companionship with this. So that is the concept that we want to give to the public audience, that we want to give you a little bit of downtime through this hustle, this when we look at the crowd and everybody is walking, very busy in the modern society of Singapore. So we wanted them to have to reinvent themselves and also self-reflect themselves and also spend a little bit of time, like 1 minute or 2 minutes, or having a little bit of fun, because sometimes we lose this fun when we getting older.
Hi, I'm Jun Wei. I'm an NAFA student from the degree program Design Practice, and I'm the designer behind the visual language for the exhibition Walk With Me. My approach is inspired from the simple pleasures of life. I aim to recreate the carefree reflections of childhood through the use of a bright color palette, rugged typography, and a friendly tone of voice.
Hello, I'm Iskander. I'm one of the designers for Walk With Me. I hope that the installation will be able to help people break the monotony of their daily routines. Visitors can engage with the installation and eventually, have some fun, feel like they're kids again and just let loose.
So we just want to reconnect this back and hopefully can inspire those individuals of the audience to self-reflect about themselves and finding some joy in their life. Because the way the installation is built and designed is that it's very quirky, very fun, very cute. You can hear voices and you can see a lot of music interaction, and also a burst of colors. Most importantly is when the audience comes into the installation, regardless what expression they have, most importantly is that they leave with a smile, which I think that is the most important success of the installation that we're trying to portray and to give.